The reason your budget keeps failing has nothing to do with your willpower, your income, or your discipline. It is the budget itself. It is too complicated, too restrictive, too much effort to maintain. Today, I am going to give you the only budgeting method you will ever need, and it is simple enough to set up in the next 10 minutes.
Most people have tried to budget at some point. They download an app, they build a spreadsheet, they categorize every transaction with enthusiasm for about 2 weeks, and then it falls apart. The complexity becomes overwhelming, life gets busy, and the budget gets abandoned. Sound familiar? Here is the truth. The best budget is not the most detailed one. It is the one you will actually stick to for years, not weeks. And that requires a method built on simplicity, not complexity. In this video, I am going to give you exactly that. The only UK budgeting method you will ever need. It is simple enough to start today, flexible enough to handle real life, and proven to work for thousands of people. Let us get into it. Welcome back to Wealth AI, the channel dedicated to helping UK adults build genuine financial freedom. Subscribe if you have not already. We are at the halfway point of an incredible content series, and the response has been amazing. Today's topic is foundational. Get this right, and everything else in your financial life becomes easier. Before I give you the method, you need to understand why the budgets you have tried before failed. Because if you do not fix the root cause, you will abandon this one too. Most budgets fail for 3 reasons. First, they are too detailed. Tracking 40 different spending categories is exhausting and unsustainable. Second, they are too restrictive. A budget that allows zero room for enjoyment feels like a punishment, and people abandon punishments. Third, they require constant manual effort. Any system that depends on you logging every transaction by hand will eventually collapse under the weight of real life. The method I am about to show you solves all 3 problems. It uses just 3 categories. It builds in guilt-free spending, and it can be almost entirely automated using a modern UK digital bank. The method is called the 50-30-20 budget. It divides your take-home pay into 3 simple categories by percentage. 50% goes to needs. These are your essential, non-negotiable costs: rent or mortgage, council tax, utilities, food, transport, insurance, minimum debt payments. The things you genuinely cannot live without. For most UK households, this is the largest category, and that is expected. 30% goes to wants. This is the category that makes the method sustainable. Eating out, entertainment, hobbies, subscriptions, clothes beyond necessity, holidays, that coffee on the way to work. This is your guilt-free spending. As long as it stays within 30% of your take-home pay, you can spend it on whatever you like with zero guilt. This is the part that makes the budget feel like freedom rather than restriction. 20% goes to savings and debt. This is the category that builds your future. Your emergency fund, your ISA, your pension contributions above the workplace minimum, your investments, and any extra debt payments beyond the minimum. This is the money that over time builds genuine wealth and financial security. 50 for needs, 30 for wants, 20 for your future. That is the entire method. Setting it up takes about 10 minutes. Step 1. Calculate your monthly take-home pay, the actual amount that lands in your account after tax and national insurance. Step 2. Calculate the 3 amounts. Multiply your take-home by 0.5 for needs, 0.3 for wants, and 0.2 for savings. Now you have your 3 target numbers. Step 3. Set up the structure using a digital bank. This is where Monzo and Starling become genuinely powerful. Both allow you to create separate pots or spaces within your account. Create a needs pot, a wants pot, and a savings pot. When your salary lands, move the calculated amount into each pot. Both banks can automate this to happen the moment your salary arrives. Links are in the description. I want to be honest about something. For many UK households in 2026, with the current cost of living, the 50-30-20 split is not immediately achievable. If your essential costs consume 65 or 70% of your income, you cannot magically force them into 50% overnight.
That is completely okay. The method still works as a target to move towards. If you are currently at 70% needs, 15% wants, 15% savings, your goal is simply to move the percentages in the right direction over time. Reduce the needs percentage by switching providers and cutting the silent money drains we covered in a previous video. Protect the savings percentage, even if it starts small. The exact numbers matter less than the structure and the direction of travel. Even saving 5% consistently, automatically, every month builds a foundation. As your income grows and your costs are optimized, you move closer to the ideal split. The method scales with you. The final and most important principle: automate everything. The reason this method succeeds where others fail is that once it is set up, it requires almost no ongoing effort. Your salary lands, the money automatically distributes into your 3 pots, and you simply spend from the appropriate pot. No daily logging, no manual tracking, no willpower required. Set your savings transfer to happen automatically on payday. Set your bills to come from your needs pot. Spend your wants money freely, knowing that once it is gone for the month, it is gone, and your savings and essentials are already protected. The automation is what makes it last for years instead of weeks. Your action plan today. Calculate your take-home pay. Work out your 50, 30, and 20 amounts. Open a digital bank account with pots or spaces if you do not have one. Monzo and Starling are both linked below, and both are free. Set up your 3 pots and automate the distribution on payday. A budget is not about restriction, it is about telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Once this system is running, you will always know exactly where you stand financially, and that clarity is the foundation of everything else. Hit the like button if this was useful. Subscribe to Wealth AI. Next week on the AI side, we are covering how to use AI to learn any new skill in half the time. That one is going to be genuinely useful for anyone trying to grow. Drop a comment below. What percentage split are you starting with? Tell me your numbers. I read every single one. I am Wealth AI, and this is just the beginning.